Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning the 14th block, which is drinking water. And we have learned how much amount of availability of drinking water we have. And also, we have learned that there is a water scarcity in the world, isn't it, children? So, to avoid the scarcity, okay, how we can avoid it? By reducing the water consumption. If we are not wasting the water and using it properly, then we can overcome the water scarcity, isn't it, children? That's what our third topic is about: reducing water consumption. It doesn't mean that we should not use water. We have to use the water, but in a correct way, so that we are not wasting the water. Okay, let's see how. So first, whenever in the kitchen, mostly in the kitchen, we use water for washing the vegetables and fruits, isn't it, children? So that water, instead of throwing away, you can just use it for watering the plants, isn't it, children? See how she's cleaning her vegetables, and that water is sent to the water. In that way, you can save the water. You can't, we need not to use the separate water for watering the plants. So one little amount of water, you can use it for washing your fruits and vegetables. Along with that, you can water the plants. And also, if there are any leaks or leakage in your pipes or in the taps, if you repair immediately, then there also you can stop the wastage of water. And while we are brushing the teeth or taking bath, we need to close the tap. While we are taking the bath, instead of bathing under the shower, if you use bucket and mug, that also stops the wastage of water. Okay, and while we are brushing the teeth, instead of letting the water away, if you close the tap, the water will stop, where the wastage of water will be stopped. And also, after washing the clothes, the water what is left out, that we can use it to flush the toilets. Okay, so in that way we can reuse the water and stop wasting the water. Okay, by which we can at least a little amount of water scarcity we can overcome. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers. Suggest two ways to reduce consumption of water at your home. So how many ways? Closing the tap while brushing teeth, and also use a bucket and mug instead of shower to take a bath. Not only this, you can write anything like repairing the leaky taps and pipes, or reusing the washing clothes to flush the toilets, or using the water used for washing the fruits and vegetables, we can water the plants. So in that way, any two you can mention. Okay, children. So write this answer. And the next question: suggest one way in which water can be reused at your home. So here, reusing is for watering the plants. After washing the fruits and vegetables, the water can be used for watering the plants, or we can reuse the water from washing clothes to flush the toilet. So in these two you can write. Okay, children. So write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book. Volume book 2, page number 32, S3, using water. Okay. So in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.